Hello friends, and welcome to our channel. Are you facing the frustrating access denied error in bootloader? Don't worry, we've got you covered with a simple solution. To begin, open your settings application on your device. Just opening a new page, look for the apps option in the drop-down menu and click on it. And then also look for the permissions option in the drop-down menu and click on it. When the page opens, repeat the same procedure by looking for the permissions option and clicking on it. The Permission Manager will open where you can go down to the files in the drop-down menu and click on them. By opening files, you can see which applications are allowed to access your files. We need an option, See More Apps, that can access files that you will click on. On the next page, also go down in the drop-down menu to the System Launcher option and click on it. All that remains is to activate the option if it is deactivated. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to fix access denied error in your system bootloader. If you liked the video, please like us and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.